Rajesh Kher, studying in Venkateshwar College of Engineering. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now I am here to explain about satellite communication. Introduction in satellite provides transponders in various bands to survive the television and communication needs of India. Some of the satellites also have the very high resolution radiometer CCD cameras for meteorological imaging. The satellites also incorporate transponder for receiving distress alert signals for search and rescue missions in the South Asian and Indian Ocean region, as ISRO is the member of Cosmos Starship program. The Indian National Satellite System, or INSAT, is a series of multi-purpose geostationary satellites launched by the ISRO to satisfy telecommunication, broadcasting, meteorology, and search and rescue operations. Commissioned in 1983, INSAT is the largest domestic communication system in the Indo-Pacific region. It is a joint venture of Department of Space, Department of Telecommunication, Indian Meteorological Department, All India Radio and Doordarshan. The overall coordination and management of INSAT system rests the Secretary level INSAT Coordination Committee. The Aryabhat spacecraft, named after the famous Indian astronomer, was India's first satellite. It was completely designed and fabricated in India and launched by a Soviet Cosmos 3M rocket from Capstone Air on April 19, 1975. Working of INSAT. The Indian National Satellite System is a series of satellites that provides a range of services to India, including telecommunications. INSAT satellites provide transponders for television and communication needs, broadcasting. Instant satellites provide television broadcasting services, meteorology. INSAT satellites provide weather forecasting and environmental and storm warning systems, search and rescue. INSAT satellite receive distress alert signals for search and rescue operations. Benefits of INSAT. Satellites serving Earth. Satellites play an essential role in our everyday lives. In fact, they contribute to our well-being and make it possible for us to meet many important needs and challenges on Earth. Though are useful many fields such as Earth observation, communication, navigation, and science, satellite data helps support the economy sphere, public safety, and national defense, manage emerging situations, monitor the environment, protect public health. Satellite data is a part of your day-to-day life. Experts from the Canadian Space Agency and Earth observation experts from all over the country are working on satellite missions in order to keep you safe and improve the quality of life. Needs of SAT. A communication satellite is an artificial satellite that relays and amplifies radio telecommunication signals via a transponder. It creates the communication channel between a source transmitter and receiver at different locations on Earth. Communication satellites are used for television, telephone, radio, internet, and military and others from satellite constellations in low Earth orbit, which are antennas or the ground have to follow the position of the satellite and switch between satellite frequency. In Iridium satellite of satellite telephone, the radio waves are used to telecommunication links travel by line of sight and so are obstructed by the curve of the earth. The purpose of communications satellites to the relay the signal around the curve of Earth, allowing communication between widely separated geographical points. Communication satellites used wide range radio and microwave frequencies to avoid signal interference. International organizations have regulations for which frequencies are banned. Certain organizations are allowed to use this allocation of bands minimize the risk of signal interference. Applications of SAT. The Indian National Satellite the system has many used, including telecommunication. INSAT is the largest domestic communication system in the Asia Pacific region. It provides serious services for telecommunications, television broadcasting, and satellite news gathering. Meteorology. INSAT satellite provide weather forecasting and disaster warning services. They monitor land and ocean surfaces and generate vertical profiles of the atmosphere for temperature and humidity. Search and rescue. INSAT satellites receive distress alert signals for search and rescue missions in the Indian Ocean region and South Asia. Ocean observations. INSAT satellite monitor the Earth surface and carry out the ocean observations. INSAT satellites monitor the Earth's surface and carry out ocean observations. INSAT system commissioned in 1983 with the launch INSAT 1B more than 200 transporters in the sea, extended sea and Q bands. Here the sum of examples of INSAT satellites. Their uses. INSAT 3 designed for enhanced meteorological observations, monitoring of land and ocean services, and generating vertical profiles of the atmosphere. INSAT 3 DRM monitors the Earth's surface, carries out ocean observations, and provides data dissemination capabilities. INSAT 3A, a multi-purpose satellite that provides telecommunication, television broadcasting, meteorological, and search and rescue services. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe.